Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which civilization is related to the statue of world famous bronze dance? Your right answer is Indus Valley Civilization. Option A is your correct answer. Where is Jim Corbett Park located? Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option B is your correct answer. The condition of the embryo in which all the organs of the child can be identified. Your right answer is embryo. Option B is your correct answer. Where is the famous cellular gel located? Your right answer is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Option C is your correct answer. The nucleus is different from the cytoplasm by dash. Your right answer is nucleus membrane. Option D is your correct answer. Dash is the largest part of the northern plains made of old alluvials. Your right answer is Bhangar. Option C is your correct answer. The National Statistics Commission has advised to revise all the economic list on each dash. Your right answer is 5 years. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following player is related to tennis? Your right answer is Roger Federer. Option D is your correct answer. When Queen Elizabeth II first gave the East India Company the privilege of doing business in the East, your right answer is 1600. Option A is your correct answer. How much is the tenure of each municipality in India? Your right answer is 5 years. Option D is your correct answer. What is the purpose of trypsin? Your right answer is digested protein. Option B is your correct answer. The head office of the Asian Development Bank is located. Your right answer is in Manila. Option A is your correct answer. Who led the Bardoli Satyagraha in 1928? Your right answer is Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following river makes Badfoot Delta? Your right answer is Mississippi. Option D is your correct answer. What is the rule showing the relationship between unemployment and growth rate? Your right answer is law of Okuna. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the longest river in the world? Your right answer is Nile River. Option C is your correct answer. What is known as Peruvian Oceanic Current? Your right answer is Humboldt section. Option C is your correct answer. The agreement which included the Indian National Congress and the Muslim League is known by which agreement? Your right answer is Lucknow Pact. Option B is your correct answer. In 1856, which kingdom was captured by Lord Dalhousie on the charge of mischief? Your right answer is Awadh. Option B is your correct answer. What is the total expenditure in the constructions of Indian Constitution? Your right answer is 64 million. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the head of the Indian Audit and Accounts Department? Your right answer is Controller and Auditor General of India. Option A is your correct answer. The compound Sambrook line expresses the region with the corresponding dash. Your right answer is pressure. Option A is your correct answer. What is the refractive index of diamond? Your right answer is 2.42. Option A is your correct answer. The art of embroidery Bunny originated in which state? Your right answer is Gujarat. Option B is your correct answer. The headquarters of the National Aluminum Company NALCO. Your right answer is Odisha. Option D is your correct answer. What is the speed in which a particle or a body moves in a straight line? Your right answer is linear speed. Option B is your correct answer. Who won the title of Man of the Series in Men's Cricket World Cup 2011? Your right answer is Yuvraj Singh. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to Khadar and Bhangar soils? Your right answer is alluvial soil. Option B is your correct answer. What is the inverse of specific resistance? Your right answer is specific conductivity. Option C is your correct answer. Which religion is related to the famous Sant Parshabnath? Your right answer is Jain. Option C is your correct answer. What is the adjustment of elements in horizontal row in the modern periodic table? Your right answer is roundup. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the temporary president of the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held on December 9, 1946? Your right answer is Sachidananda Sinha. Option D is your correct answer. In the volleyball game, if the referee raises both his hands together, then whose sign is it? Your right answer is double pit replay. Option D is your correct answer. The Indian citizen who is normally living outside India and will have an Indian passport. Your right answer is non-resident Indians, NRI. Option B is your correct answer. Marathon is the game related to which of the following? Your right answer is athletics. Option A is your correct answer. Northernmost part of the Himalayan range is called. Your right answer is Himadri. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following is a non-metallic? Your right answer is hydrogen. Option C is your correct answer. HP, Blavatsky and HS. Which of the following bodies was established in the United States by the Olcott? Your right answer is Theosophical Society. Option B is your correct answer. The provision of amendment in Indian Constitution was taken from which country Constitution? Your right answer is Constitution of South Africa. Option B is your correct answer. In which constitution the principle of state policy was taken from which constitution or DPSP? Your right answer is Constitution of Ireland. Option C is your correct answer. The famous Sri Brahmaramba Mallikarjun temple is located in Sri Salam of Dash. Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. The word somersault in related to which of the following games? Your right answer is diving. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following state is included in Krishna River water dispute? Your right answer is Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Option B is your correct answer. Who won the first Olympic medal from India in a solo competition? Your right answer is Khasba Dada Sahab Jadhav. Option B is your correct answer. Currently, headline growth rate is determined by whom? Your right answer is gross domestic product on fixed market value. Option B is your correct answer. Imported on physical unit or value is called import. Your right answer is tariff. Option B is your correct answer. How much is the nuclear number of silver in the modern periodic table? Your right answer is 47. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the highest law officer of the state? Your right answer is Advocate General. Option B is your correct answer. No person can be punished more than once for the same crime. What is this principle called? Your right answer is double punishment. Option A is your correct answer. This is the last questions of today class. Question of 50. Which of the following is an autonomous institution related to rural area? Your right answer is Panchayat. Option D is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.